Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can upload high quality picture on Facebook. Now there is no setting in Facebook which you can change to change the quality of your Facebook's photo update. So whenever you upload a picture on Facebook, Facebook is automatically going to lower the quality of the picture. And the reason for that is because Facebook does not allow high quality photo to be posted, because if somebody who has a slow Wi-Fi is using Facebook, then it is going to take time to load that picture due to it being high quality. So Facebook automatically drops the quality of the photo, whichever photo you upload on Facebook, so that whoever has low Wi-Fi can easily access or watch the picture as well. Now let's say you want to upload a high quality picture on Facebook, then you need to be able to take high quality photos. So what I will suggest you to do is change the setting of your phone's camera into high quality mode. So whenever you click a photo, it clicks on high quality mode. And when you click a photo in high quality mode, when it uploads it, it is going to lower the quality. But since you click the photo in high quality, even though Facebook lowers the quality, it's not going to be that bad. But if you click a photo in a really low quality and upload it on Facebook, the photo is already low quality, and when you upload it on Facebook, Facebook is going to lower the quality again, which is going to make the photo even more worse. So click a photo on high quality and upload it. That's the only solution. I hope you understand how to upload high quality photos to Facebook. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.